Hello, I'm Kate Tichina. You are watching InstaForex News. Presently, it's well known that the central banks very closely follow the charts. In this case, the timely intervention can turn out to be very efficient. Also, the recent data of the Commodities Futures Trading Commission showed that the volumes of the speculative short positions on the euro achieved their record highs. That is why it is not a surprise that the strong wave of the short positions closing led to the increase of the euro by 2% for less than an hour. As to the actual intervention, on Wednesday the trade was influenced by the presence of the Swiss National Bank at the market, which was buying the euro-franc pair near the rate of 1.40. In this case, there are assumptions that the Swiss National Bank took an advantage on the disarray on the market in the second half of the day in order to advance the volumes of its purchases of the euro-dollar pair, which grew by 3 cents compared to the closing level of the previous day and achieved the weekly high of 1.33. As to the concerned intervention on the euro-dollar pair, then such developments are unlikely, on which basis the authorities of the G7 will conduct the currency interventions now. They were not concerned when the euro-dollar pair was growing to the rate of 1.60, and in this connection the common European currency was significantly overvalued in relation to the purchasing power parity. According to the Organization of the Economic Cooperation and Development, the purchasing power parity of the euro is about $1.17. During a long period of time, the euro will be traded at the lower rates compared to the level of fair value as it was in the period from 1999 to 2003. This definitely will not be tragedy and will not bring an end to the euro. Anyway, the talks concerning the currency intervention were a good reason for the profit taking. However, in this case, the selling of the euro with its growth will remain as advantageous strategy. We'll be back tomorrow with the next release. Goodbye.